The Congress on Sunday held a massive Vote Chor Gaddi Chhod rally at Ramlila Maidan with senior party leaders launching sharp attacks on the BJP and the Election Commission, accusing them of undermining the electoral process and threatening constitutional values. Addressing the gathering, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge said those indulging in what he described as vote chori were gaddars or traitors and must be removed from power to protect voting rights and the constitution. He alleged that the ideology of Mohan Bhagwat, M.S. Golwalkar and Manusmriti would destroy the country and accused the BJP RSS of attempting to dismantle constitutional institutions in the name of Hindutva. Rahul Gandhi, leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, said the Congress stood for Satya, truth, while accusing the BJP RSS of asatya and vote chori. He claimed the party had collected nearly 6 crore signatures nationwide against alleged vote theft and would submit them to the President of India. Referring to recent changes in election laws, Gandhi said the Congress would repeal such provisions retrospectively if voted to power. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra challenged the BJP to face elections conducted fairly using ballot papers. She alleged that Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar and Election Commissioners Sukhbir Singh Sandhu and Vivek Joshi would one day have to answer for attempts to dilute voting rights. From Karnataka, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar participated in the rally. Shivakumar said the protest was aimed at safeguarding every citizen's right to vote and alleged that vehicles carrying Congress workers were stopped from entering Delhi. He said around 3,500 to 4,000 party workers from Karnataka attended the rally. Siddaramaiah alleged large-scale irregularities in electoral rolls, citing instances from Mahadevpura and Aland where discrepancies and attempted deletions of voters were recorded. He said fascism begins not with violence but with the quiet erosion of institutions and the manipulation of electoral systems. Reacting to the rally, the BJP alleged that the Congress was attempting to protect infiltrators from being removed from electoral rolls. BJP national spokesperson Sambit Patra said India's democracy was robust and accused the Congress of misleading people and defaming constitutional institutions. He also asserted that the Congress would face political decline under Rahul Gandhi's leadership.